Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lance Howery, and today we're going to be talking tech. We got the Amazon Echo 4th generation speaker here. We're going to unbox it, we're going to check it out, and see what it has to offer. I wanted to bring this thing in because it is $99, and I have a HomePod Mini coming in that is $99. So I want to compare price range. I wanted to see what this could do over the HomePod Mini. I have had an Amazon Echo speaker for a long time, since the beginning. I used it for my smart home, and I wanted to show you guys how this one works, how good the 4th generation is, and talk about how good the speakers are. I love listening to music on these things, and let's dive into this thing and see what it has to offer. Coming down the pipeline will be some comparisons with the HomePod Mini. HomePod Mini is not in yet, but make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss them. Let's dive in. Alright, so we're going to dive into this, guys. We have got a pull tab here. Open that up. Alright. See if I can't break into this packaging here. Now this thing is crazy. It's different. It's a different form factor than we've seen before. And to tell you the truth, I don't know that I'm a fan of it. The globe, the sphere, whatever you want to call this thing, is definitely unique and different, but I kind of like the cylinder thing. I don't know. I kind of like the cylinder of the past. But we will dive in and see how this thing is. Now I can tell you one of the disappointing things. This is the charcoal version of the I don't even know if that's the exact name of the color, but you know, it's the dark charcoal looking color. And it comes with a white cord. I feel like that's a terrible design choice. I mean, if you're gonna make a dark speaker, make a cord that matches, at least make it black. This seems to be an oversight, and I don't like it. Definitely disappointed in that. Also in the box is you got the instructions, hello, kind of helps you set it up, and all that jazz. That's pretty much what's in the box. I will say the packaging is real nice. I do like the packaging. Not quite Apple quality packaging, but pretty good. All right, so this sphere, this thing has a Zigbee hub in it, so you can pair it with light bulbs. It actually came with a couple free light bulbs, so you can use Philips Hues with this. You don't even have to have a hub for Philips Hue light bulbs to work with this, and so that is pretty cool. As a smart home feature, this Amazon second to none. The Echo devices have an amazing smart home setup. You can control your lights, you control your thermostat, and you can do that with the Google, and I got Google too. I tried it out as well. I actually got a few speakers coming from it as well, so we can try it out. But everything that I've seen so far, and everything that I've used over the last couple years, really points to the Amazon Echo being the best smart home device on the market, bar none. It connects with the most devices. It connects with the devices that I like Kasa or TP-Link switches, which I really like. They're Wi-Fi switches, and they work really well with this device. I'm going to show you a video later on when I get the HomePod on connecting your Kasa or TP-Link switches to it, and I'm going to just see if there's a workaround. It doesn't work perfectly with them because you got to have Apple HomeKit, and that's the nice thing about Amazon Echoes. They just work a lot more seamlessly with all kinds of smart devices. I got an Ecobee that I paired up with. I've had it not in this house. I haven't made this house as smart as my last one, but it works well with Nest stuff. It worked well with Nest video cams. It worked well with the Nest video doorbell. And so all kinds of things that this works really well with. And that's one of the biggest things that this offers, is smart home integration. Other things this has to offer is great speakers. But we'll dive in and we'll take a little listen to it and see what it has to offer. So we're going to pause real quick. I'm going to set this up and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I was kind of showing you a down view of the table so you guys could see. But what we're going to be doing here is setting this up. And I got screen record on, so I'll throw this up on the screen. But it actually, I plugged it in. Since I already have Echoes, it found the network, it found everything, and now it's having me finish setup, and it's wanting me to tell you where it's at. So I'm thinking about putting this up in the living room, so I'm gonna mark living room. And then I will blur this out because it's telling me to add my address here, so we'll cut that out of the video, but that's what's next. Now, find things with Sidewalk. Now, we're going to dive into this here in just a second, but Sidewalk is a very interesting feature that lets this device and other devices in the neighborhood use your neighbor's networks or your neighbor's Wi-Fi, or lets your neighbors use your Wi-Fi for their Echo devices. It's supposed to help with your Ring devices and all that stuff. Now, I do not like this. I'm definitely going to not enable that. I think it's set up now. I'm gonna go turn this one off over here though. We don't want that one listening to us while we talk to this one. Alright guys, so I guys got you on the side angle here so you can see the speaker and when it lights up what it does. And then also hopefully the sound picks up real well and you guys can hear this here. But let's try it. I'm actually going to shut the studio off partly, then I'll bring it back up. Lights will dim here in a second, but let's check it out. So turn off the studio.
Okay.
So turn on the studio.
Okay.
Alright, so that's the studio lights coming up and turning off and on. I got those on smart devices. Alright, let's see here. Play some Luke Bryan.
This is Luke Bryan from Lance's Spotify.
Alexa, stop. Alright guys, so that's it. That is the quick unboxing of the Echo 4th generation smart speaker here. This thing is really awesome. I did have some issues right off the bat there where the connectivity was having a problem. I wasn't being able to say the wake word and it was waking up. And so I had to go into the Wi-Fi settings, reset those, and then I had to unplug it and plug it back in. Now I got it working. Tell me the weather in Kansas City, Kansas.
Right now in Kansas City, Kansas, it's 53 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Throughout the day you can expect more of the same, with a high of 57 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
Alright, so my initial thoughts on things I don't like, it's a sphere. I like the cylinder better. That just suits my design characteristics that I like. But so far it's decent. I like the sound of it. Sounds really good. I'm in the smaller room though, and so we'll see how it sounds in the living room. I probably will do an update because you know these things, like I said, didn't work perfectly right off the bat. I got it working good now, but I want to be able to give you guys an update if there's any issues and any caveats, because I want you guys to get the best speaker that you can and let you know if this is after I use it. I love smart home stuff. I'm integrating more stuff all the time. This is a new house for us, and so as I get the time and the money to do so, I'll upgrade to smart stuff. But I do have a smart thermostat. I do have some smart lights throughout the house, and I got a doorbell. But guys, this is a pretty good speaker. My initial thoughts is good speaker, but let's see and dive into it over the next month and see if it really works good in my smart home. It is a smart home hub, and so you can connect smart lights to it as well, and so that you don't have to have their own hub like the Hue light bulbs. You can connect directly to this, and I'll try that out, maybe do the video over that. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You guys don't want to miss what's coming down the pipeline. We got a lot of cool stuff with smart speakers. We got a lot of cool stuff with the new Apple M1 devices. I got a Mac Mini behind me. If you're seeing this video, it's been edited on the Mac Mini M1. And so thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys next time.